Hello, dear students.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, today we are going to have an unusual lesson. Today we are going to study chemistry in English. And I want you to watch the video and say, what are we going to study? What topic is it today?
And now, ASAP Science presents the elements of the periodic table.
There's hydrogen and helium, and lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air, oxygen so you can breathe, chlorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the signs, sodium.
Tell me please, what are we going to study today?
We are going to study the periodic table.
Yeah, that's right, great. And do you know the formation of periodic table?
It is
No?
to show chemistry elements.
Yeah, of course, but what is the history of periodic table? Do you know it?
Mendeleev.
No. Yeah, of course you know the that it's called by the scientist Mendeleev, but you don't know the history. And today we are going to study what? We are going to study atoms, we are going to study chemistry, we are going to study periodic table, know new words, study atoms and elements. Words. Mendeleev. Thank you for your aims, and now let's review some information that you have already studied. What is the atom? Alisa?
Atom is particle with very different size.
Great. What is the molecular? Tamerlan?
Molecular is a group of two or more atoms that form the smallest unit.
What does the particles consist of?
Particles consist of electrons, protons, and neutrons.
Okay, what are the elements' aggregate states? Alina?
Gas, liquid, and solid.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. And what is the classification of periodic table?
Metal, non-metal.
Thank you. Okay, now you have these kind of tables. I want you to fill in the information with the help of each periodic table. Look, the first element is hydrogen. Hydrogen. What is the period? First period, okay. Groups? First group and atomic number? Okay, let's check. First. Okay, very good. The next. Iron. What is the period?
Four.
What is the group?
8.
8, and the atomic number is?
26.
26, yeah. What about chlorine? Chlorine.
Period is 3.
Third period, yeah. Group is 17 and?
17.
Yeah, atomic number is 17. Fill in the table. And silver. What about silver?
5.
Yeah. Period 5. Group is 11 and atomic number is?
47.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much. Thumbs up. Okay, let's watch video about the formation of periodic table.
Matter can exist in form of elements, compounds, and mixtures. When elements were discovered, a proper classification was required for their easier and better
Okay,
understanding.
let's check. We have already watched the video, and now let's do the task and check the information from the video. Okay, the first sentence, who wants to read?
Mendeleev went to school in Siberia.
Okay, very good. The second? Tamerlan?
When he started to compile his table, there were 63 known elements.
Okay, great. 3.
He arranged the elements from lowest to highest atomic weights.
And 4? Alina?
He also organized them according to their properties.
Yeah, absolutely. And the last one?
He studied that new elements would
good job. Now put points, put 7 points for this task. 7 points for this task. Thank you very much. Okay, the last task for today is role playing. We are going to act out the meeting of science who was working on the formation of the periodic table. Dear experts, come and take your seats, please. Uh-huh.
1829. John Dobernard publishes his law of triads in a German journal.
The three elements sulfur, selenium, and tellurium have similar properties. The atomic mass of selenium is the average of the atomic weights of the other two elements. I will call this group a triad. There are other triads too.
Other scientists evaluate Dobernard's ideas.
His law works well for lithium, sodium, and potassium, and for chlorine, bromine, and iodine.
But some similar elements can't be grouped into types. He said this himself. Say the law doesn't weigh law.
We can't be confident in this cloud with sources in this time elements.
1860. Stanislav Cannizzaro presents his ideas at the First International Chemical Congress in Germany.
Here is a table of atomic masses. It is based on measurements of the weights and volumes of gases.
His advice is good. His claims make sense.
I'll take a table of atomic weights. It will help with my future research.
1864. John Newland speaks about his law of octaves at a London Chemical Society meeting.
I have ordered all 56 known elements in order of atomic mass. There is all pattern. Every eighth element has similar properties.
Why have you grouped copper with lithium, sodium, and potassium? Copper have very different properties.
Why arrange elements like a musical scale? You might ask. Have ordered them apparently.
Obviously, you did it at the new and the odds you can't accept it.
1869. Dmitry Mendeleev created the periodic table.
I arranged the elements in order of atomic mass, more or less. Elements with similar properties are grouped together. I have left gaps for elements that have not yet been discovered.
1875. Paul Emile Lecaque de Bois-Brèche makes a discovery.
I found one of the Mendeleev's missing elements. I've called it the gallium. This evidence makes me more confident in Mendeleev's claims.
1879. Lars Nilsson discovers another missing element.
I have found elements between calcium and titanium, its name scandium, and have confidence that Mendeleev's ideas are correct.
Students, for your acting out, and now, dear experts, take your seat, please. And tell me, please, what have we done today?
We found out about history of periodic table.
Yeah, great. What else?
We study atoms and elements.
What else?
We're going to learn new words.
Okay, very good. What else? Did you speak English?
Yes.
Yes, of course. A lot of English.
Yes.
Of course. And have you studied chemistry today? New elements, the English names of elements?
Yes, we have.
Yes, very good. You did a great job. Thank you for the lesson. You got excellent marks. Thank you.